work with our client Heather Butts with Health for You.
Yay!
So with Health for Youth, we decided on designing a kiosk to help Williamsburg. And our main question for the kiosk was how can we design a kiosk for Williamsburg community that promotes a healthy social, emotional, and physical lifestyle. So basically, we're going to go into it, but basically for social, we would think about like games and stuff to get you thinking and get your mind active. That also goes along with mental, emotional, like QR codes that we'll mention later.
So far as a group, we've met with our client Heather, and we have discussed the general aspects of kiosks and components and designs.
With everything the planning is out of the way, for our final steps, we are looking for a perfect location to put it in, like not too far away from the train station, but a little farther away so there's more space. So it's that can't hear me. Do I need to go to the mic? We go to architecture school. We work on AutoCAD. It's a program that we do to build certain things on a computer before we'll like skill it. And we do a couple designs right now. And in the future, we're going to work with Heather and a couple of our teachers to see what's the best one to fit in our computer.
Some challenges that we faced while doing this is that we have like a whole lot of ideas for this kiosk, but we're still trying to find a way to fit it all into one design so it can fit on a sidewalk and not obstruct people's path. And also, our other main problem is finding funding, but we're going to do that using IOP.org.
So along with like having issues with the funding comes like what is the kiosk going to be made up of? So we have like a bunch of different ideas. Some of them are like simple common things like Wi-Fi or having like MTA service connected to it so you know where you're going when the things are going to get to you. But we have some other more important things that are related to health for youth. Like the QR codes that I mentioned are going to be like spaces where you can get a hotline to like domestic abuse places or get help if you really need it if you're at somewhere and you feel like unsafe. And we also have things like the games that will like mentally allow you to mentally stimulate you, right? So you're going to be able to wait at the bus stop or wait at the train station and actually think and learn new things. You're not just standing there just waiting. Now it's more interactive.
Some more ideas that we've been thinking about to help the community is we can advertise local businesses instead of like our previous people said like fast food places because it's not as healthy. But advertising local places can help because it can draw a lot of tourists and make it an attraction so that more people can stop by and make it a very sociable place.
We also want to add little things to the side to it to draw people in. Like want to have little health tips, like Roy said before, and like interesting facts or like quotes of the day, and little jokes every now and then to pop up, to make it a bit more pleasant.
And one more important thing that we will include is that we're going to have opportunities in the kiosk to find the nearest like health location facility that you need to go to, whether it's like an emergency medical facility or just going somewhere to get some help so that you feel safer.
And one last thing that we think would be a great idea is adding locations of local parks so that people can get active on their free time so that we can have like a more fit community and maybe meet some people like a local track or something and interact. Thank you.